What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sean's TV. You feel me? We back at it again with another video for y'all. So in today's video, y'all already know we got that cat out. I know y'all see that Hellcat bag. You feel me? So y'all already know that means it's a video with the big cat. So in today's video, we actually got a modification that we're gonna be doing to the cat, and that's what I got right here sitting on top of the box. So our boys over there at the Extreme Online store, they sent your boy some side skirts for the cat. You feel me? So I'm gonna be showing y'all how to install them, you feel me, put them on, and show y'all how it look. They also sent your boy these, the rear diffuser that I got put on here. I do have a video on my channel on how to install the rear diffuser and stuff. It's gloss black, so it's gonna flow very good with the side skirts. I also got this red eye spoiler with the wicker bill. It's also in gloss black, so everything is gonna flow very good together. So without further ado, I'm gonna be showing y'all what tools y'all need to install it, and basically showing y'all the process how to get it put on. So we're gonna go ahead and get into that right now. All right, y'all, so with some of the tools and stuff you're gonna need, I just picked up this right angle drill so that it'll fit up under the car. You can, if you got a jack or something, you can jack the car up and use a regular drill, but today I'm just gonna be using a right angle drill so we don't have to worry about jacking the car up, because you can still get to it. Even though by my car being lowered, it's not that much space, but it's just enough for you to get the holes and stuff drilled in. With these screws that'll be going through those holes right along there. We also got some double-sided tape, and we're gonna put that right along the line of that, just so we can have some extra secureness, because the double-sided tape will stick real good. We also got a towel for you to wipe up under the regular little side panels, and that's gonna get all the dirt and stuff so that the tape has some, it'll stick real good to it. And we also got some scissors and stuff to cut the tape. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these two pieces together and show y'all where the screws go on that, and we finna go ahead and get into that now. All right, y'all, so in order to put the two pieces together from the side skirts, you got these two holes right here that the screws is gonna go in. So what you're gonna do is, in a little pack of hardware that all the screws came in, you're gonna get the two smallest screws, which is these right here, and you're gonna basically put the screws in here. So I'm gonna set up the camera and I'm gonna show y'all how to do that. All right, y'all, so y'all gonna put the first screw in, and you're gonna make sure you screw it in real good. You're gonna take your second screw, put it in, and go ahead and screw that one in as well. Make sure it's nice and snug so that you don't have to worry about it, you know, flying off and nothing like that. All right, y'all, so after y'all get the two screws and stuff put in and making sure that it's nice and secured, you're gonna flip the side skirt over, and you're basically gonna get some of this 3M tape, the double-sided tape, and you're gonna cut out little pieces, and you're gonna put like a strip along here, from here to here, here to here, here to here, and you're basically just gonna go along the whole side skirt, cut out those pieces of double-sided tape and put it on there, just so you can have some extra security alongside what's drilling the holes and stuff, so that it don't fly off and it stays there. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this double-sided tape, put it along here, and now I'll get back with y'all after I do that. All right, y'all, so as you can see, we got the double-sided tape all installed, and this is how it should be looking on you guys' end as well. So we got the tape and stuff installed on there. So now what y'all need to do next, you need to grab your microfiber towel, and you're basically gonna clean this whole side rocker panel, just so there's no dirt on there that will stick on the tape and cause it not to stick that good. So after y'all do that, then you'll be good. We'll go ahead and grab the diffuser and we're gonna go ahead and install it, stick it, and then put the screws and stuff through the holes just so it can be completely secured. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up the camera, and you feel me, we gonna go ahead and going on from there. All right, y'all, I do got to get down in the mud just because my car sit too low, and I had to use the rock just so I can have enough clearance for me to drill the holes. But you're gonna grab the diffuser, you're gonna tape the side with the tape, and you're basically gonna line it up with the front first. And as y'all can see now, we got everything all held on by the tape and stuff. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the screws, these screws right here. You're gonna get your right angle drill, and we're gonna go ahead and drill the screws in from the bottom. All right, YouTube, as y'all can see, we got everything all installed, you feel me? So all together, this was a fairly simple and easy install. All that you really had to do was put some tape on there and screw it in, and just make sure everything is level right here where I was showing y'all want the front to basically touch right here, just so everything can be lined up real even. And as y'all can see, this is what we looking like with the finishing product. Let me give y'all another little angle. They don't stick out too far, but it just give y'all a little bit more aggressiveness coming from the side of the car. It flow real good, especially with the, like I said earlier in the video, the wicker build and stuff, and the diffuser, as y'all can see right there. But what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna actually go to a location, and I'm gonna basically park the car and give y'all some cinematic shots of the vehicle so I can show y'all how everything looks. And that's really gonna be it for the video. So if y'all don't mind, please like, comment, subscribe, you feel me, hit the post notification bell. And also I'm gonna leave the links and stuff to all the stuff I got from them: the side skirts, rear diffuser, rear spoiler. And until next time, that's gonna be it, y'all. Peace.